Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Graph questions get easy fast when you read one x value carefully, compare both curves there, and turn the visual gap into the answer choice. At 40 millimeters mercury, start on the horizontal axis, then move straight up until you hit both hemoglobin curves because we need each percent saturation at that same oxygen pressure. From the graph, the fetal hemoglobin curve is around the mid-80s, while the maternal hemoglobin curve is around the mid-60s, so the vertical gap between them looks close to 20. Subtract the maternal value from the fetal value, and that estimated difference is about 20 percentage points, so option C is the best match. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Avoid rushing signs or guesses. Trust the given graph values and check each comparison step before choosing.